Did you know that a plant-based diet can make you healthier and help protect the planet? Eating more plant-based foods is a great way to stay fit and feel good. Today, we're going to share the 15 must-have foods in a plant-based diet. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our healthy eating tips and tricks. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with vitamins and minerals. They help keep your bones strong and your skin healthy. Eating leafy greens can also reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Add them to salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are full of antioxidants and vitamins. They help protect your body from damage and keep your immune system strong. Eating berries can also improve brain health. Enjoy them as a snack or in your breakfast. Nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews are a great source of healthy fats and protein. They help keep you full and provide energy. Eating nuts can also improve heart health. Enjoy a handful of nuts as a snack or add them to your meals. Seeds. Seeds like chia, flax, and pumpkin seeds are rich in fiber and healthy fats. They help improve digestion and keep your skin glowing. Eating seeds can also provide important minerals like magnesium. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or smoothies. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are high in protein and fiber. They help keep you full and provide important nutrients. Eating legumes can also improve heart health. Add them to soups, salads, or stews. Whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are full of fiber and vitamins. They help keep your digestive system healthy and provide long-lasting energy. Whole grains can also help control blood sugar levels. Include them in your meals instead of refined grains. Avocados are full of healthy fats and fiber. They help keep your skin healthy and your heart strong. Eating avocados can also help control blood sugar levels. Add them to salads, toast, or smoothies. Tofu. Tofu is a versatile and protein-rich food made from soybeans. It helps build and repair your muscles. Eating tofu can also keep you full and provide energy. Enjoy it in stir-fries, soups, or as a meat substitute. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. This vitamin helps protect your skin and keep your eyes healthy. Eating sweet potatoes can also provide long-lasting energy. Try them baked, mashed, or roasted. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins and antioxidants like lycopene. They help protect your heart and keep your skin healthy. Eating tomatoes can also help reduce the risk of cancer. Add them to salads, sauces, and sandwiches. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a great source of vitamins and minerals. They help boost your immune system and improve brain health. Eating mushrooms can also provide important antioxidants. Add them to stir-fries, soups, or salads. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are full of vitamin C. This vitamin helps keep your immune system strong and your skin healthy. Eating citrus fruits can also improve digestion. Enjoy them as a snack or in your meals. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are high in vitamin C, which helps your body make collagen. Collagen keeps your skin firm and strong. Eating bell peppers can help reduce wrinkles and improve skin texture. They are great raw or cooked in meals. Broccoli. Broccoli is full of vitamins and minerals that are great for your health. It has vitamins A, C, and K, which help protect and repair your body. Eating broccoli can also improve digestion. Add it to salads, stir-fries, or steam it as a side dish. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is full of antioxidants that can protect your body from damage. It also helps improve blood flow and boost your mood. Eating a small amount of dark chocolate can be good for your health. Choose chocolate with at least 70% cocoa for the best benefits. Remember, a plant-based diet is all about eating a variety of healthy foods. Try to include these 15 must-have foods in your diet for a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tips on living a healthy life. Thanks for watching.